Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we are diving deep into Everwise, a powerful career development platform designed to connect professionals with mentors and personalized learning resources. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills, advance your career, or find guidance from experienced leaders, Everwise offers a comprehensive set of tools to help you grow. The Everwise platform focuses on mentorship, pairing users with industry experts who provide valuable insights, advice, and support. This personalized mentorship experience helps users set clear goals, track their progress, and receive feedback tailored to their unique career paths. The matching process is thorough, ensuring that ments connect with mentors whose expertise aligns well with their aspirations. In addition to mentorship, Everwise provides a rich library of learning content, including webinars, articles, and courses. These resources cover a wide range of professional development topics such as leadership, communication, project management, and diversity and inclusion. The platform encourages continuous learning and growth by offering curated content that complements your mentorship journey. Everwise also emphasizes community engagement, enabling users to join group discussions, share experiences, and learn from peers. This social aspect fosters a supportive environment where professionals can network and collaborate beyond one-on-one mentoring relationships. The platform is designed with user experience in mind, featuring an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate through your mentorship program, access resources, and communicate with mentors. Notifications and reminders help keep users on track with their goals and upcoming events. Security and privacy are well handled, ensuring that personal information and communications remain confidential. Everwise also offers analytics and reporting features, allowing organizations to measure the impact of their mentorship programs and make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, Everwise is a valuable tool for individuals and organizations aiming to foster career growth and development. Its combination of personalized mentorship, rich learning resources, and community support makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in their professional future. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.